Hey everyone, in today's quick tutorial, I will show you how to change the language on Qwen in just a few simple steps. Whether you want to switch to your native language or try a different one, this guide will help you do it effortlessly. Let's get started. First, open up your Qwen app on your phone and make sure you are logged in into your Qwen account. Now, look at the settings section usually found in the sidebar or profile menu. Click on to the setting option. Here you will be able to see the language section. You will see a list of available language. Click on to the drop down menu, select your preferred language and confirm your selection. This interface will update immediately. Some change may require you to refresh the page or log out or log back in. Once the language is applied, you are all set. And that's it. You have successfully changed the language on Qwen AI. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and press the bell icon for more updates. Got any questions? Drop them in the comment below. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.